gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I created this perm rod set. It's really big, cute, and fluffy. It's a very flirty style with heatless curls. So stay tuned to see exactly how I achieved this style. I already prepared my hair off camera by shampooing it and conditioning it. I actually used the Lotta Body Restore Me Cream Shampoo as well as the Restore Me Conditioner. So I actually prepped my hair with these two products. I did use the conditioner as a deep conditioner as well. So I just transformed it to a deep conditioner by letting it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. So I deep conditioned it and rinsed it out. I'm just keeping this shower cap on to make sure that it maintains that moisture because I want to do the style on damp hair. So we'll go ahead and show you guys just kind of the texture of the actual conditioner. So it actually feels pretty lightweight, but I will say as lightweight as it feels and looks, this conditioner was working. You hear me? Melted my dang on tangles like they was on. So I really like, and it smells so dang. What y'all don't know, I'm putting that back in here because I'm gonna need that for next time because that's how good I like that. Smell good, work good. Talk to me then, baby. So yes, I already went ahead and prepped my hair by shampooing and doing the deep conditioner. So now I can actually go straight into the styling process. Alright, so I'm going to start out by sectioning my hair. I love to work in sections. Look how soft my curls are. I literally just shampooed it and deep conditioned it, and it is so soft. Then I'm going to be taking the Lotta Body Curl Defining Mousse. Got some in my hand here. This is my first time using it. Just want to get enough where you actually are coating the hair. You want to make sure that the mousse is applied all over the head. So you want to make sure that the product is distributed all throughout your hair, because you want the curls to be super defined. So I'm just running through with a Denman brush just to make sure that it's evenly distributed. Then I'm going to take my perm rod. I'm using the orange ones. I'm going to split this section. Comb through it again. Ooh. That's why I like working in sections. Try to separate them. So I'll take the mousse, apply to that section. Comb through it. You want to take the actual perm rod and smooth it all the way down. Try to start at the top of a perm rod, especially if you have longer hair, because you want to give it the option and space to wrap around. So you see I'm smoothing that little piece down there. You want to make sure it's as smooth as possible. I just rubbed a little bit on there. So you want to roll it up taut, and then once you get kind of 2 rolls in, you want to just kind of flip it around and then continue to roll. You see how I secure it here, and take the piece and don't just bring it straight up, try to bring it up and wrap it around a little bit if you can, and then secure it. That's it. And we're going to move on to the next section. So smoothing it to the end yet again. See, I'm smoothing it to the end and wrapping it around. Then I'm rolling it up, trying to make it and keep it tight. And I'm going to do that little flip around, and then twist it in, and then secure it. Ooh. So like I said, don't try to go just straight up like this. Try to wrap it around a bit as much as you can without popping the dang on thing off. I thought I just popped it. See? Bam. Like bam. Fine. But I ain't gonna switch. That's the whistle song, y'all. You have to listen to it offline. I can't play that, baby. I can't play that on that family show, baby. Just want to show you one more time just to make sure you got the hang of it. Rub it all in. comb it through with your dipping brush. I had already detangled my hair while I was deep conditioning, so it's easy to run it through with the brush. Smooth it to the end. Then I'm gonna wrap it around like that, keeping it smooth. So I don't start doing that twist action until I feel like the hair is on there and it's secured. And the way you can tell if it's secured on there is when you're rolling it. If the hair is moving, it's not secure. See how this is like not moving? That's secure. So now I'm going to do the flip twice. I'm going to keep on rolling it up. Taking this around and securing it. There you go. So that is that section. So that was the very first section that I did. I have 4 perm rods here in the back of my head. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my head so you guys can see what the final look looks like with all the perm rods in. So I'm on the very last perm rod. Yeah. One thing I want to highlight with you guys is you want to have the perm rods going in the direction which you want it to fall. So like this piece, I want it to fall towards my face, so as you see I'm pulling it forward. So that's the direction that I want it to fall, so that's the way that I'm twisting it, so to ensure that it will fall the way I want. I feel like I just over-explained that for no reason, but y'all know what I meant. Alright, finally. So, I have the perm rods in all over my head. So I just want to show you guys exactly how they look now that they're actually situated in my head. I'm going to go ahead and let it air dry. If you're on a time restraint, you need to make sure that the process goes a little quicker than air dry. You can definitely send the dryer. If you do send the dryer, I do recommend using a heat protectant spray. You can actually just spray it over the top of your head. Make sure that it's all over your head though, because if you're going to be sitting on the dryer, you should use a heat protector. I know a lot of people think about only using a heat protector when they actually are flat ironing their hair or directly blow drying hair, but any type of heat that you're putting on your hair, direct or indirect, you can always utilize using a heat protectant spray. So now I'm going to let this dry, and then I'll come back to show you guys the process of taking it down and how to style your perm rod set. Alright, so my hair is completely dry now, so I'm going to take the perm rods down and be able to show you guys exactly what it looks like under this concoction. Alright, so I'm going to start in the back because that should be the driest section. You're literally just going to unroll it. Boo-doo, boo! Yes, they are looking good, baby. Now, this one got untucked. So I'm going to have to just try to hide that in the style. But that's why it's important to make sure it's all the way at the end and taut. This one probably wasn't as tight as it should have been. That's okay. It's in the back too, which is okay because the style I'm going to be doing, it won't have an impact on that. Alright, so it is all taken down now, so you can see. Oh, I missed one. The soldier was hiding from me. Alright, so you can see all the curls. So I am going to take a little oil and rub it in my hands because I want to just lightly put it all around. And then I want to start separating them. So you want to pull it and just separate it where it naturally wants to separate. Like, you don't want to force the separation. So see, that part wants to come out. Okay, we're gonna come out. This one kind of doing its own thing. So yeah, only separate it at the sections and where it wants to actually separate at, because otherwise you definitely will get frizz. So like if you see it's being a little frizzy, you could try to smooth it out with your fingers by just pulling it and rolling it. The color is so pretty to me because it just gives it more dimension. Just love it. So glad I got my hair colors. Shout out to my colorist, Amy. So the curls are all taken down. And what I want to do is kind of fluff it a bit, just to see where my volume's coming from. Like, dang, girl, is that a wig? That's my hair. Oh, this hair? Oh, this mine. Okay, originally I was going to pin this up, but I'm really loving how the curls look. I just don't even want to disrupt them. So what I will do is, as the style get older, I can actually transform it and pin it up to make it cute again. I may fluff it out some more though. Make it really big. I like big curls and I cannot lie. These other curls cannot lie. I'm going to take the Lotta Body Tame Me Edge Control and just lay down a little bit around the perimeter. It's not very visible, but like if it blows up, I want those little edges to look tamed. So I'm just going to flip that up. Alright, so edges are laid and curls are slayed. So this is the final look. You have big, heatless, bouncy curls that are super cute. You can wear this in this style, or you can pin it up, make it a little extra flirty that way. But I am loving how these curls look. So I really love using the Lotta Body Milk Honey collection to be able to achieve this style. My curls are so soft and bouncy and lightweight, and they feel really good. So I love it. I really do. I remember using Lotta Body when they used to just have the setting lotion and then they made it a mousse. So it's a trusty, dusty product for the black hair community, not just natural hair, because my mom actually used to use this on me when I was younger, when I did have permed, relaxed hair, and she used it on herself. So I would definitely recommend the Lotta Body line, but really loving this Milk Honey collection. It smells really good. Even the edge control smells good. The conditioner was amazing to melt my hair, being able to make it very easy to detangle. Had no issues even after the process with being able to detangle quickly as I was setting the perm rod. So I would definitely recommend this line. It's got me out here looking fine. Bars. Yeah. So my gems, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that notification button so you can be notified when new posts become available. Until next time, bye my gems.